Alright, so we got an unboxing video. Got these GCW Deathmatch All-Stars Volume 2. So, I missed the first volume, but let's check out what's inside this Volume 2 box. Just got these in today. I was a little late to getting them. Wasn't one of the first people to get them, but I was able to get them, which is good. Open this thing up, see what's inside. GCW is probably my new favorite promotion for wrestling. Nice little box here. So we're gonna get one of 2 chase cards, 30 trading cards featuring Deathmatch Hall of Famers, current Deathmatch All-Stars, and participants of the Tournament of Survival. 7. Let's check these out. Now, I really prefer opening like packs of cards, but these are kind of cool. These are kind of cool. Yeah, they don't come out of the box that easily. Some of these are stuck in here. Hopefully none of them get too messed up. Okay. So, here we go. Got them a little bit mixed up while I was dumping them out of the pack, but here we go. We got Drew Parker to start off with. John Wayne Murdoch. Alex Colon. Madman Pondo. Rina Yamashita. Akira. Excited to see him. He's come to Detroit. Sadika. Supreme. Sawyer Wreck. We got Eugene and Tommy. Matt Tremont. There you go. Here you go, Matt Cardona. We got Marcus Crane. And we got, what is it, Toby Klein. There you go, Hoodfoot. And we got Jimmy Lloyd. And we got John Moxley. And we got Wife Beater. And we got Slade. And we got Los Macizos. Might be pronouncing that wrong, I'm not sure. There we go. Charlie Evans. And here is JC Bailey. Shane Mercer. There we go. We got AJ Gray. We got Effie. Here we go. Got a Cole Radrick. And here is Nick Gage. All right, the King. We got Toru Sugiura. Toru Sugiura. And Brandon Kirk. And I believe this next card is the Chase, which I like. I'm a fan of his. Got the three-peat of Alex Colon. Yep, that's a nice card. All right, so that is the set. I'm not sure who the other Chase is because there's two, but it looks like I got a three-peat Alex Colon. I'm happy with that. I'm a fan of his. So that was a pretty fun unboxing. I have to get these into, I'm gonna put these in some pages, and I hope to do more of these videos, do some more unboxings, show more of my collection. Thanks for watching, and that's it for now.